boys and girls. Welcome to Creative Kids Virtual Preschool. It is story time with Miss Denise and Ollie. I'm so glad that you guys have joined us today. We are going to read a really fun book today, but before we do that, we need to sing our hello song. So will you sing with Ollie and I? You will? Okay. Are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you. Hello to me. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Oh, thank you guys for singing with Ollie and I. Okay, we are going to read a really fun book called Old MacDonald Had a Truck. Old MacDonald Had a Truck. It's one of my favorites. I'm going to put Ollie down so he can listen as well. Old MacDonald Had a Truck. This is by Steve Goetz and it's illustrated by Ida Caban. Old MacDonald had a truck. You know the song, Old MacDonald Had a Farm, E-I-E-I-O, right? Yeah, only this one is Old MacDonald Had a Truck. Okay, let's get started. Here is our title page. Ooh, and look, the very first page doesn't have any words on it. It's just a bunch of pictures. That looks like Old MacDonald and his truck, doesn't it? He's going down the road in his truck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had an excavator, E-I-E-I-O, with a dig here and a dig there, here a dig, there a dig, everywhere a dig, an excavator. That's silly. So he had an excavator on his farm. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a, I wonder what he has now. A front loader, E-I-E-I-O, with a scoop here and a scoop there, here scoop, there scoop, everywhere scoop. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a bulldozer, E-I-E-I-O, with a push here and a push there, here a push, there a push, everywhere a push. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh man, look at him working on his truck. And on that farm he had a, I wonder what he has now. A motor grader, E-I-E-I-O, with a scrape rake here and a scrape rake there, here a scrape, there a rake, everywhere a scrape rake. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Look, that looks like Mrs. MacDonald looking up over the car. And on his farm he had a, I wonder what he has now. A dump truck, E-I-E-I-O, with a dump thump here and a dump thump there. Here a dump, there a thump, everywhere a dump thump. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. I wonder what everybody's doing here. Looks like they're building something, doesn't it? And on that farm he had a A steamroller. E-I-E-I-O. With a squish smash here and a squish smash there. Here a squish, there a smash, everywhere a squish smash. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Look. What do you think they're building? It kind of looks like it's a racetrack field, doesn't it? Yeah. And on that farm, he had a cement mixer, E-I-E-I-O, with a spin whirl here and a spin whirl there. Here a spin, there a whirl, everywhere a spin whirl. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Look at all the people sitting there. Looks like I see lots of popcorn, huh? And on that farm, he had a truck. There's the truck. E-I-E-I. Go. There goes the truck. They're racing. I think it was a racetrack that they built. And there he goes. He built himself a racetrack. That was silly, wasn't it? That was a lot of fun. I loved that book. How many of you guys have ever been in a race car before? No, I've never been in a race car. Have you, Ollie? No. Oh, you know what? Actually, I was in a race car once. Yes, I was. And I was sitting next to the driver of the race car, and I had to wear one of those helmets, and we went around a racetrack, and we went really, really, really fast. And then you know what he did? He did something called donuts. Do you know what a donut is? A donut is when you take the car and you go round and around in a circle really fast. That was a lot of fun. I've forgotten all about that. Have you guys ever been in a race car before? Yeah, maybe when you get older, maybe you can go in a race car next time. That would be lots of fun, wouldn't it? Yeah. Well, we want to thank you for joining us for story time with Miss Denise and Ollie. But we need to sing our goodbye song. So will you sing with Ollie and I? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Oh, thank you guys for singing with us. Okay, Ollie's gonna blow his kisses, so you guys get ready to catch, okay? All right, are you ready, Ollie? Oh, yeah, he's ready. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Good job, Ollie. Will you blow kisses to Ollie? Okay, he's looking. Oh, there. Go ahead. Oh, there's one. Yes. There's one. Another one right in the middle. Oh, rub them on your cheek. Thank you, guys. We will see you again next time with Story Time with Miss Denise and Ollie. Bye-bye.